My people, Igbo, do you know that everything they are telling us, they have told us about Islam is not true? Do you know this? I want to shock you. Do you know that everything they are telling you against Islam, it is not true? Don't believe me. What I'm just saying that you should go and make research. Go research here. Every one of you have his Google, his phone. You can make your own research. You understand? Everything they are saying, they told us that Islam don't believe in Jesus. It's not true. Do you know that Muslims believe in Jesus more than Christians? Muslims believe in Jesus more than you guys, more than everyone. You were Muslims. In fact, when I was reading this, I was just shocked. I was surprised. When I was making my research, I was shocked to understand what Islam teach. You understand? I'm just, how manage. I came to find out that it is the churches, the pastors, because they have created these their so-called churches in order to take in people's money. So that is why they close, because in Islam, there's nothing like seed sowing. Are Muslim not prosperous? They tell you that has a no inyego, ge ligwe, sow your seed, God will bless you. Who are can we go in this world? Who are more rich than in this world? I don't know, the Muslims. You understand? Go to the Arabs, go to the north and see how wealthy, but they don't make noise like the Igbo. They don't make noise like Igbos. So now they told you that Muslims believe in killing. Do you know that in Islam said, go and make this research. You'll be shocked. You understand? One thing about it, that they even make you so that you will not make any research, because they close your eye. They close, they destroyed my people. They really destroyed us, so that you cannot make research. You cannot even sit with a Muslim. You cannot say, okay, let me research. A lot of the Igbos, you guys know so many things about so many society. You know all the players in the world. You know Bet Niger. You know all the companies, all the this and that. Even all the societies, what they believe in. Most of the Igbos, they know it, and they practice most of them. But they make you not to. You ask yourself, why is it that we have not come to understand or even research what Islam said? Despite that, there are Muslims all over the places. Come to Igbo and there are Muslims, there are Northerners. You have not taken time to go and research or even find out what does Islam teach. You understand? They just close your eye because they want to keep us in darkness. They want to keep us in darkness. They want to keep us from this beauty, from the sweetness of Islam. They want to keep us from the sweetness of Islam. They don't want us to enjoy this beauty of Islam, this salvation that is in Islam. All what they just want us just believe in the blood of Jesus. You cannot even think, blood of Jesus. I cover my family with the blood of Jesus. I cover my family with the fresh and blood of Jesus. Think. What does it mean? How does blood? They tell that blood, you cover your family, you cover your people with the blood of Jesus. How does it mean? Is it not occult or ritualist? You understand? This is a pure occultic something. For somebody to tell you that I cover you, believe in blood, that blood will save you. You understand? It's very, very funny that they tell you that you should believe. Nanda. They just tell us a lot of stupid things that does not even exist. They just tell us a lot of stupid things that does not exist. So, do you know what am I saying? Do you know that Islam said if you kill a single soul, if you kill anybody, if you kill a single soul, that God is going to punish you as if you killed the entire human being. This is the teaching of Islam. They never told you this. If you kill a single soul, that God is going to punish you as if you have killed the entire human being. And if you save a soul, that God is going to bless you, reward you, as if you have saved the entire humanity. This is what Islam said. This is the teaching of Islam. If you save a soul, God is going to reward you as if you are the one that saved the entire humanity. And they came and tell you rubbish. tell you rubbish, and people think. Go and make research, go and think, go and make your own investigation or research to understand the truth before it is too late.